go into outside and play. They played. There was a fox. He wanted to eat that fox. The fox was trying to eat them. Then they was telling one story, and they playing hide and seek. The hide and seek, some two pigs was hide, and one pig was telling the numbers. After telling the numbers, the fox come. The fox come and near the donkey. He tried to eat the donkey, but donkey and another two pigs was run, and they tell to their mom. And mom tell, we want to make another home for you. It is for yourself. But the donkey tell, but mom, we don't have cash to make it. Then mom tell, I will give you a cash to make it. Then tell the pig, yes, I will give you. Then donkey is making with the rock, and Pinky is rocking, making with the tree, and Tingy is making with the grass, and they make the home. And one day the fox came and near the Pinky's house. Pinky go and Pinky's house, how the fox was broke. Then the piggy ran to Tingy's home. Tingy broke the house. Then Tingy goes Pongy's house. They three are scared. And then fox tell, I will make your house broke. Then the fox tell, I will give you broke the house. He again and again, but it was didn't broke. And the fox tell, I will tomorrow at 7 o'clock you will come. I will give you apples. But Piggy go early morning in 6 o'clock and take the apples and go home. And the fox come in correct 7 o'clock and tell, Piggy, come, let's go. But Piggy tell, I already picked the apples, then why I want to come? Okay, then you will come. You come to pick tomorrow 6 o'clock potatoes. Then in early morning, Piggy goes in 5 o'clock. Piggy wake up 5 o'clock, go to take potatoes, and he take and come back. And fox come in correct 6 o'clock and tell, Piggy, let's come, we can take potatoes. But the piggy tell, no, I already take the potatoes. Then after it tell, then come, I will give you the orange. Tomorrow early morning you come in 4 o'clock. Then early morning fox come in 3 o'clock, and pig also that at the time come 3 o'clock. Then fox tried to catch the pig, but fox cannot catch the pig. Then after tomorrow, the fox take one ladder and put it on and take up on the house, and he broke upon the house and come. The rice was hot water. He go in that and flied into the sky. Thank you. Have a nice day.